In this video, I will show you how to change the language in Elementor. So in order to do that, we first need to head over to elementor.com, then click on this Get Started in order to create an account, or click on this Login option if you just wish to actually log into the account that you already have. So this first method, you will do this if you only have an Elementor and you don't have a WordPress. Into the my.elementor.com, click on this profile icon. Then in here you can see your account settings. So make sure to actually access that. You can go over to your profile and change it right here under this. You can change the settings as well as the email, SMS, and the likes. Do take note that the actual language of your Elementor will depend onto the country that you're in. Now, for example, your Elementor is connected to your WordPress. What you can do is you can log in into your WordPress account by clicking onto this login option, or if you don't have one, click onto this Get Started. Now, from this, what we can do is we can head over to our WordPress dashboard. Here is my WordPress dashboard. What you can do is we can head over to the settings, and then go over to the general. And then into this part, we just need to head over and look for the site language. You can scroll down from in here and you can see the site language. So typically your Elementor just go over and then just try to imitate the language that your WordPress currently have. So if your WordPress has English, your Elementor will have that as well. Into the site language, just click on this drop down and choose in here the language that you wish to use. Once you have chosen a particular language, you can scroll down, click onto the Save Changes in order to save everything that you have done so far. So that's how you change the language in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.